Description: deliver a deep cleaning detox with this color-safe resin removal shampoo that effectively eliminates styling product buildup with sulfate-free suds formulated for dual-action defense against dehydration. Benefits: gentle alternative to harsh clarifiers, remove styling product buildup, instantly restore manageability and shine. Suggested use: apply to wet hair and massage to lather, then rinse thoroughly. For best results, follow with Miracle Repair Weekly. Top reviews from the United States. Curly girl loves. I am a curly girl who loves this product. It smells so good, and removes all the product from my hair to give me a clean slate on wash day. Helps my curly hair survive Arizona hard water. It helps my curly hair, keeps it soft. Arizona water is very hard, so this product is a must.